It's Thursday. Carol
and Debbie.
So the last few weeks we've been sharing different articles from different economists talking about, what the real estate forecast is. There's been a lot of things to affect that forecast. The pause in the market with the COVID-19 stock market bumping around. But as you can expect, we were paused for 8 weeks, but we are on the mend, and we're seeing more and more momentum week by week.
Sure are.
So just in Rosedale this past week, 6 homes went pending and 6 new listings came on. If we look at county by county, Sarasota and Manatee County together, last week 487 homes, that's 31% up of new listings. Pending is even higher. Pending homes for last week, 684 homes, wow. 79% up. And sold, now again, that sold activity is 30, 45, sometimes 60 days activity. And that was 489 houses, or 22% up. So we are on the move. We are on the mend, and it is time to get out there and list your home. Or if you're in the market, get out there because inventory is getting low.
It's a healthy market.
It's very healthy. Speaking of healthy, what great things are going on at the clubhouse?
Okay, a little bit of business reminder news today. Now that the turnover has taken place in the community is run solely by all homeowner board of directors. The website is now being renamed Rosedale Master Homeowners Association, and we're going to post that link right here on your email. So FYI, it doesn't link to the old site, so be sure to get this new one on your computer. And then at the club, Saturday and Sunday, the lunch and brunch menu is back.
Right.
Hours are 11 to 2:30, and then Super Sunday continues even later, goes from 2:30 from the brunch to 6 o'clock at night, and reservations are required. And Carol, I took a look at the menu.
How is it?
Bottomless mimosas to start off.
Ooh,
and then,
count me in.
I know. Omelets and eggs Benedict, and the menu is fabulous. And then Sunday, everything from your lunch items into your ribs and anything you can imagine for the dinner. I mean, a really nice menu. They took a lot of time and thought about that.
And I'm tired of cooking.
Yeah, me too. Me too. It's like the dishes are nonstop. Okay, now a little bit about our activity this weekend, speaking of Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, so we have been released to do open houses. We had open houses last weekend, good activity.
Even with the rain.
Even with the rain. And even if people aren't in the market, they are out there looking for their friends because they are coming, and they're coming from the north.
They are.
So this coming weekend, Sunday, June 14th, 1 to 3, I will be hosting an open house, unless it's sold by then, at 4838 88th Street East. That is in the North Bridge section. This is a lovely home, 2914 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, office, pool, preserve, and golf course lot. That's very unusual.
It's beautiful.
A very unique lot.
Yeah.
And I tell you, this owner has done all the heavy lifting. Newer AC, tankless water heater, kitchen appliances, new roof, big ticket item, resurfaced the pool equipment, new outdoor kitchen, and many, many more designer upgrades on the inside. So again, even if you're not in the market, you know somebody that's in the market, come and preview this home for them. And where are you going to be?
I have some really cute special maintenance-free homes that I'm going to be hosting open. Their addresses are 8512 and 8541 54th Avenue, Circle East. Like I said, maintenance free, but what's really spectacular is close the door, walk away, but my seller has done such a fantastic job. They are turnkey furnished. Everything from your vacuum, iron, dishes, linens, done just tastefully. These immaculate homes are 2 bedroom, 2 bath, open floor plan. Both of them are on the water, which is just really nice. Turnkey furnished, like I said, and these homes are spectacular and really special. They have attached garages and laundry inside, and absolutely ready for that perfect investor, a little winter getaway, or just if you want to downsize and make your life easy. These homes are awaiting that special person. They are really cute, aren't they?
They are. And then new listing. We have a new listing just hitting the market, 5346 97th Street, Circle East. This is a lovely 2348 square foot home, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, pool, spa, outdoor kitchen, private backyard and preserve, new AC, light and bright. This one won't last. So until then, see you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodiles.